We've invited the JCB Academy over to MME. The whole point of this tour today was to show the apprentices the quality controls and the checks that we've put in place to make sure that our tools are extremely good quality and they're reliable and durable.
We use the similar systems to what Makita use, so we've looked at 5S today, we've looked at KPIs, we've looked at some problem solving, Ishikawa, fishbone analysis, the 5 Whys. It's what the JCB apprentices use in day-to-day life and they'll take some valuable lessons from it.
Really enjoyed my time at the factory, staff are lovely, really enjoyed having a look at all the problem solving and the Kaizen activities that they've helped employees out with. Really something that I would look to do at JCB, helping out the business even more.